guys, I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to show you how to properly use your sheet mask. Alright, so I am obsessed with sheet masking. So I know it sounds kind of excessive, but I use sheet mask at least 2 to 3 times a week. Like, I have a collection, and girl, like, this isn't even the half of it. I have a ton of sheet masks. And so I thought I'd hop on here today and just tell you guys like where I get my sheet mask and also how to properly use them. Because a lot of people think like it's as simple as just cleansing your face and then throwing a sheet mask on. Which, I mean, let's be honest, that's completely okay. If that's how you wear a sheet mask, that works. I'm not gonna judge you for it. I understand like using just one sheet mask a week barely fits into a lot of people's schedules, because I know like when I get home and I am tired, I just want to like fall straight asleep or want to go to bed. But I have fallen into a routine where I'm actually really good at keeping up with my nighttime skincare routine and everything like that. So there is a like proper way to use sheet masks so you get the full benefits from them and that you're not wasting any product. And so that's what we're going to get into today. And I'll talk more about them later, but I actually just got a shipment from a company called The Mask Box. So they are a new company based in New York that focuses on Korean sheet masks, and I actually have been obsessed with them recently because they seriously have some of the best prices on a little bit more like mid-range face masks, because I usually don't buy the face masks that are like $12 or $20 a sheet. Like, if I get them for free from companies, like, I will gladly use them because that is fantastic. But the face masks that I use like usually stay around like the $5 per mask range, which is still really expensive. Like, it adds up quick. So I really like them because they carry some of my favorite face masks in their shop for a lot cheaper than companies like YesStyle. For instance, like this face mask right here, the Dr. Belmore face mask. So this face mask right here, I believe it's $5.76 on YesStyle's website, but if you order it from the Mask Box, you can actually get it for, I believe, $4.06. So you're literally saving $1 and a few cents, which really helps you out in the long run. And you can also use my code mattyaj. Right? I know, it's so weird. Like, they offered me a coupon code and I was like, I will gladly take. Like, I love sheet mask, I love your company. So you will save money if you do use code mattyaj. I don't make any money from it. Like, this is strictly just for like, they offered it to me for you guys and I was like, let's do this, that's awesome. So yeah, they carry a lot of different face masks and they're cheaper than a lot of Korean retailers. And the reason I really like them is because since they're based in New York, you get your sheet mask a lot quicker than if you order from a Korean website. Because I love my Korean retailers, but I usually have to wait like 14 days, like minimum, unless I get express shipping. But we'll talk more about them later because they also do offer like a subscription service that's monthly. For now, let's get into the video. So the first step to using a sheet mask, of course, is to cleanse off any makeup that's on your skin, and then also cleansing the skin as well. So if you aren't wearing any makeup, you still want to cleanse, just because you want to get off like any dirt, oils, or impurities that are on your face. So definitely, no matter what, you're going to want to clean your face so you have a clean base to work with. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now. So if this is usually the stuff that you throw on a sheet mask, that's perfectly fine. Like I said, more power to you, because at least you're using a sheet mask, so your skin is still getting those nutrients and benefits from that face mask that you wouldn't be getting otherwise. So still, good job. But today we're gonna upgrade that. So the first easy step to upgrading your sheet mask routine is of course using a toner. So I have a few different ones to choose from. I'm gonna be using the Sun & Park Beauty Water. So this is a toner and skin retexturizer. So if you have any like blemishes from where you used to have acne, like any kind of acne scars and stuff, this is gonna help refine that skin texture so it's a little bit smoother, and so it's not like as jagged on your face. So over time with continued usage, this is not only gonna help smooth your face, but it's gonna instantly soften your skin so that when we use our face mask, we're gonna absorb all of the benefits from that serum, and it's gonna be a lot easier for like a pathway to be built so that the serum that's on the face mask can get easily absorbed into the skin. So I'm just gonna take my favorite Pyongyangyo cotton pads. I've been really liking these for toners just because they're so thin that you get all the product on your face and it doesn't get lost in the cotton pad. Like, this ain't a normal cotton pad, sis. That's so thin. That's thinner than my nails. Alright, so we're just going to put this all over the skin, avoiding the eye area. Because the eye area is super thin, so you don't really need to tone it anyway. And we don't want any skin resurfacing on our eyes. Like, be real. And also, using a toner will help get rid of any like excess makeup or anything that was left over on our skin that our cleansing step didn't get rid of. Alright, and now if you have any essences or serums or skin ampules that you use, this is the time that you're going to want to use them, because it's going to be like layering our serums together. So you just want to apply your serum how you normally would apply it. I just go in like circular and patting motions to really help it absorb into the skin. Alright, and now that our serum is on our face, this is finally the moment you're going to want to use your sheet mask. Because now we've toned our skin, we have our serum on. When we put that face mask on, it's really going to help keep that serum locked into our skin. So after I do my skincare routine at night, usually I like to like lie in bed and like that gets some of the serums and stuff on my pillow. But if you use your sheet mask, of course you're like locking that serum in. And then on top of that, you're getting the serum from the sheet mask you're using. So we're gonna get all the benefits from all the serums working together. And I will say sometimes they can counteract each other, but that's like very rarely. But just because I know some people might say in the comments like sometimes the ingredients will counteract each other, I'm just shouting that out just because like that's the thing that can happen, but usually won't. You usually don't have to worry about that. And now you can pick out whatever sheet mask you want to use for that day. Today, I think I'm just going to be using the Soothing Gauze Sheet Mask from Dr. Belmer, I believe. Dr. Belmer? Dr. Belmore? Dr. Belmer. This particular sheet mask is really moisturizing. It's made with birch tree sap and also, I believe, chamomile flower water. So that's really going to help soothe the skin and also increase hydration. And I usually just go for, honestly, any sheet mask that is anti-aging. Because my skin's not particularly dry, I don't really get breakouts that often. So anti-aging is my main concern, but if you do have a lot of acne, there are tea tree masks, there's a lot of anti-acne masks, there's a lot of different options for your specific skincare concern, and the mask box actually has them all kind of like laid out for you. So it's easy to go in there, click on a mask, see what it does, and see if that's the mask that's right for you. So definitely look for a mask that's going to help address your current skincare situation. Alright, and we're just going to pop this open really quick, and then we're just going to put it right on the skin. And you will look kind of crazy for the 15 to 20 minutes you're supposed to leave it on for. I usually leave a face mask on until it's completely absorbed if I have time to wait. So I just like sit around, chill, go on my phone, and just wait for the sheet mask to dry, and then I peel it off once it's completely dry. And now you can see once I took that sheet mask off, my face is glowy. She is hydrated, sis. So basically you want to let this sit until it completely just kind of air dries. Like, it goes away pretty quickly. But yeah, your skin does get extremely moisturized after your face masking, and I really like using them just to really take care of my skin because you only have one face and like I need this. This is all I got. This is all I got, girl. And now that that sheet mask has kind of dried down, now is the time where you think, are we done now? No, we're not. So now you're going to want to wrap up your skincare routine. So basically the last steps will just be moisturizing your skin with your nighttime moisturizer and then also using your eye cream. So you just want to go ahead and just use any kind of nighttime cream that you're using and also your eye cream as well. And I'm also just going to put on this skincare mist because I'm obsessed with it. The Hamish Bulgarian Rose Mist Serum. I am obsessed with this. Completely am out. I gave away like 5 of these in one of my videos. But yeah, now as you can see, our skin is very moisturized, looks very healthy and plumped, and basically that is how you properly use a sheet mask. It's really simple. You just do your whole skincare routine and then you put a sheet mask in between those steps. And yeah, so last thing, like I said, if you don't know where to start with your face mask, the subscription service to the mask box is a really good place to get started. They send you a really nice array of face masks every month, and the theme of the face mask box changes monthly. So like in this case, this month's box was moisturization. So they focused on face masks that give your skin a lot of moisture, and they had a nice array of different ones. Like some of them had ceramides, hyaluronic acid. I think like all these actually have hyaluronic acid in them, but they're just really good for anti-aging and locking in moisture, which, like I said, anti-aging is one of the most important things to me, but you never know how your skin is going to be acting like one particular day or one particular week, so it's always nice to have a different array of masks to choose from. So if my skin is really red one day, like maybe I could just go in there, and in that case I would pick out this Labiata Anti-Trouble Mask, which is really good for redness as well. So it's good to have like a different stock and different assortment of masks to choose from, and it's actually cheaper to go with the subscription box than it is to get them individually, which of course is to be expected, but they still have some of the cheapest prices on sheet mask on their website, so it's still good to order individually from them. And of course, if you use code mattyaj, you get money off your order. And also really quickly, I do owe you guys a life update. I said in my last video that I would do a life update in a video where I tried a face mask that's actually banned in America. I did try that mask, it didn't do anything that impressive for me, and let me tell you guys why I've been away for so long. So in actually 3 days, I think it's actually 2 days now, I moved to LA for a salaried position as a creative director for a bunch of different YouTubers' YouTube channels, essentially. So I'll explain that in a minute. But these past 2 months, I decided that, honestly, my family life and spending time with my family was much more important than going on social media and making videos and doing things like that right now, because I know once I hit to LA, it's gonna be like full speed ahead, like running with like my social media and YouTube channel. I'm gonna have like a lot of different equipment to work with, so different lighting, different cameras to upgrade my video quality and everything like that. I'll be in a position where I'm gonna be able to make content and do the things that I love doing, like very easily and very fast out there. And since I knew that there was a definitive date of when I was moving, I was like, alright, we'll spend time with my family now, and then the YouTube can wait until I get there. So I also felt so bad because so many people were asking me like, where are you? Like, please make more content. And it's like, I'm still here. I'm still here. It's just like, there's a lot of changes that are happening like very soon, like very shortly. And so for those of you who don't know, I edit videos for Amanda Ensing and Jake Warden and a few other YouTubers as well, but mainly I work really closely with them. And so I got offered a salaried position in LA with the video editing and being a creative director for these YouTubers. So I am very excited because that means, like I said earlier, I'll get access to lighting, cameras, and a lot of different things to film with, and to help focus on my channel. And actually, the 3rd through the 15th of August, I'm going with Amanda to Europe. We're going to France and Spain. So I have a lot of videos planned for that whole trip as well. So it's going to be really cool. There's going to be a lot of opportunities to create some awesome content while I'm out there. So yeah, definitely stay subscribed because you don't want to miss that. And of course, if you like this video, definitely leave a like down below and leave a comment down below as well. Or if you have any advice for me moving to LA, because this is a scary, huge change. Like, this is very, very different for me. Like, it's going to be a good decision in the long run, and I can always come back and visit, and who knows what's going to happen out there. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I thank you all for watching this video and staying so supportive to me. But yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys! There's this one that I got from By Wish Trend, which is a 5% mandelic acid. So honestly, I got this scent for free, and this burns my skin. I'm just gonna throw that out there. They've been asking me about why I haven't used this in a video. It burns my skin, girl.